Hi guys. First of all, I would like to welcome both Pranali and Bhargava to this chit chat series that we are having for the esteemed speakers of 88 GTR 2024. And then I'm going to be very, very grateful to them for finding time and also being our esteemed speakers. They're both accomplished players in the testing space and come with a huge experience and background. It would be really nice if Pranali, you can give a quick introduction about you and then followed by you. It would be Bhargava who can let our audience know about their background. Okay, then we will
Thanks.
talk about the topic. Okay.
Thanks, Aditya, for the quick and nice intro about it. And thank you so much for for the all the events that you and your ATR GTR team is organizing. Okay. Myself, Pranali Palshetkar. I'm working in with Voice currently as a manager in the BQA domain, that is the business quality assurance, with the experience of around 17 plus year in core telecom and IT domain. Specialize in OSS, BSS, 4G, VoLTE, SMSC, roaming testing, API, release management. And before joining to Voice, I have worked with the likes of Nokia, Sweden, and Huawei. Maybe Bhargav, I pass it
Yeah.
back on to you. You can take your.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you, Pranali, for introduction. So, yeah, hi, my name is Bhargava Kodela, and I'm having over 14.5 years of progressive experience as a majorly test lead as well as a test manager in Voice, which is like Vodafone Intelligent Solutions in majorly in testing of functional and automation in rollout and restore stack. Basically, I can call it as a BSS and OSS stacks for telecom domain projects. It is. Okay, and also I'm having an experience on like system integration testing, like end-to-end involving entire Oracle component stack like CBEL and the Oracle BRM, AIA, OSM, SAP, and UM, all these integrated systems execution as well as. And coming to the more technical skills, like on the billing and rating functional testing with the OPRM system as my expertise, and the CBEL CRM testing and complete BSS system testing will be my technical skills. And coming to the automation side, we have like sanity and regression testings for JMeter we use, and Selenium WebDriver, and also having experience on Lisa Dev Test tool for REST API and SOAP web services for automation. So in such a way, like expertise in transformation of testing, expertise in managing portfolios testing and system integration testing, API end-to-end UAT testing, and pre-prod testing, deployment verification testing, cloud migration testing. So defect management for large-scale transformation programs or projects, like all these involvements we have over a span of this 14 years of experience. Yes. Uh,
Nice. Yeah. I think this is amazing. Anything left? I don't think so. After that introduction, both you and Pranali cover the entire spectrum. Everything that probably the people would like to know, you know that, and you have practically experienced that. And guys, both Bhargava and Pranali are bringing this experience into a wonderful topic, very cutting edge, in fact, to the conference. It is auto debugging the root cause with Gen AI of the bug slash issue before approaching to the development, right? So can you give a little insight? Maybe Pranali, you can give some little insights, and then Bhargava can add, right?
Thank you. So, as part of the ATA GPR, the abstract that we have submitted, as you said, the auto debugging the root cause of the bug issue with GenAI. So, like when we decided that we are going to, participate and submit the abstract, we were thinking like on the generative AI thing. So, we know that these days GenAI as a tool is adopted and implemented for customer services and first post come resolution. So because it can it can respond immaculate to this first contact resolution. So when we thought of this, so with this in view, we thought, if that is the case, why do we not use it for bug analysis, like debugging with the generative AI instead of manually debugging of logs. So with that, we came up with this topic. So um any end-to-end solution involves the integration between multiple components. So while testing any end-to-end journeys, whenever we encounter error, like a bug, as a primitive step, we tend to check the error description. Based on that, we check the relevant application logs, and the middleware integration. So, uh, we thought we should have something which would aid to find it out quickly, and we thought generative AI would be the best tool that we can use and probably try to make the testers' life easy. I think next insight on this, I would like Bhargava to continue.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you, Pranali. Yeah. So basically, when we discuss, when we thought of submitting this abstract, right, so immediately the spark we idea got it as like we submit on GenAI, and here we got an idea is here to collect and maintain a repository of artifacts where that is like error codes, historic data of previously reported bugs with RCA and fix provided. So when we collect all these repository and information over in a repository kind of way, and this repository is then fed to an input to the GenAI server basically. So during the test execution phase, like either it is an automation or a manual, like if any error is encountered during the execution, like then the user will paste the error over there in the, it is a kind of a chat GPT interface to the user. So the user will paste that error. So then GenAI compares error code with the stored error codes which are is in the repository, which we created a server kind of a repository. So accordingly, the processor will displace the root cause of the problem, where the error triggered and which system has it triggered this error, and where the root cause resides. So according, hence, with that output response, QA can directly approach to the right application team to get this fixed instead of having multiple email threads or any war room calls or breach calls to find the right application to fix the error. So this basically, this introduction of this AI basically will save at least 0.25 man days, which is a general required to do initial analysis, troubleshooting, and identifying the right application owner to fix the error. So this is the main motto for us to get submitting the abstract, basically. Yeah.
Nice, guys. So look, they are going to bring all this information and knowledge, and they're going to share all of that in the conference. Very interesting topic, and I'm sure that you will learn a lot. Don't miss this session, guys. So to just continue, I'm going to ask one more last question to both of them. It's not related to work or paper or anything. It's all about how do they unwind themselves? What is the passion? What do they do in their free time? So who would like to go first? Bhargava, you can go first, and then Pranali can answer at the last, okay?
So I think this time you go first.
Yes.
Yes, no issues. The passion is a very interesting topic. About my passion, so basically I'm interested in traveling and exploring the world. Like out of my native place, I used to evolve and explore the things around the India, basically. So exploring the places and exploring the different kinds of cultures, exploring the different types of dishes. So it's basically, even when coming to the work, also exploring is the major part which we can learn the things and we can implement in our daily day-to-day life as well. That's my passion, basically.
Great. Thank you so much, Bhargava. Over to you, Pranali.
Well, on the personal front, to unwind, I'm a very empathetic when it comes to anything and everything in life. I'm a foodie. So be it with cooking or eating, both. So I love to try different cuisines. I love to travel because every time you travel, you have a new experience, you learn new things. I love to read books, and it's not any particular genre. I can read spiritual, scrum, or horror, anything in that. I love dancing, singing, and over and above, I'm passionate about learning tarot. I love tarot, so on weekends I do that. I mean, I generally believe and I have a perspective that both on the professional and personal front, you should keep learning, keep adding. Matlab, you keep adding, and it's like learn, learn, relearn. So I keep doing it. So yeah, so I basically keep myself busy. I love to pen down my thoughts. So you will see me lot acting on Instagram. So I have two handles that I do. I love gardening. So basically I have that, and I cater to my writing passion with those little blogs which I can whenever I can possible. So that's how I keep myself unwind on when I'm not working. So yeah.
Amazing, guys. So this is where you see both these people have so wonderful mechanism to unwind, and they got such a beautiful range of passions. I'm sure that when we interact with them, we can pick it up, and obviously, if possible, we can pick up so many things other than basically the work culture that these guys have. So, having said that, my sincere thanks and gratitude for joining us for this wonderful chit chat. We learned a lot about you guys, and I'm really excited that we will get a chance to meet and interact more in the conference. Looking forward for your session, guys.
Yes, we also
Thank you, Aditya. It was nice talking to you. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
thank you so much.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.